to check out this 22-inch monitor. Just opening the box up. And we're going to pull this bad boy out of here and see what we got. All right, here we are. Here's the monitor. Comes with a lot of stuff. All right, so this is pretty simple. This is your base. This here is going to slide on there like that. Your monitor is going to go on here. All right, this is your power cord. You have to connect it to the transformer, and that is going to connect into, I do believe, this goes into the computer. So, it should be interesting. Yep, so this is going to go like that. This is going to go into the computer, and this is going to go from your computer to your monitor. I mean your monitor. This is going to go in your monitor. This is going from the monitor to your computer. All right, let's put it together. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off and take a look at the monitor. There she be. All right, so this is where we're going to attach this contraption right here. It's just going to slide in there, just like that. So I'm going to pull this stuff off of here. This is like a protective, thing that they put on here, just like that. All right, so now this should slip right in there. And this here. All right, so let's take a look at it. So we're going to put it here, and this should slide right in, just like that. Should slide in there. There's two little grooves. I think you got to push. Yeah, there it goes. And see, I can pick it up by it. That's when you know it's connected, right? So let's set that down for a second. Let's pull this up. So this, we've got to pull this stuff off of. You've got all this protective stuff on here. So let's go ahead and get that off of there. Try not to scratch it with your finger. Bam, done. All right, so now, got our monitor, right? And it's pretty simple. You can see which way it goes, right? So this is the pointy part. So you got to turn it this way, like this. You can see here that you've got this tapering, right? And if you look on here, you've got tapering. So you have to match these up. So I've got to turn this around, just like that. And now I'm going to just match this up like that. It's just going to slide on there. It's supposed to. And there we go. Now the question is, you got this thing here. Does that tighten it? Or does it loosen it? Now I'm going lefty-loosey, but it's getting tighter. So I don't know if that's going to affect this or not. Let's see. Yeah, it still slides off. So this is just going to set on this, basically, by gravity. Gravity's going to keep it on. So there we go. There is our monitor. Bam, done. Now you can turn it a little bit because it does adjust in here. But look at that. It's kind of weird, huh? I don't know if I like that or not. I don't know if I like that balance on it. Super thin, though. All right, here's all your inputs, right? You've got you got HDMI, you get traditional, and then you get your power. So there's your power, there's your hookup to your computer, and there's your HDMI. So I think that this should rotate a little bit so that you can tip it towards you a little bit better. But we're going to try it up here and see if it fits.